Alright, hello and welcome everybody. Today's video we're going to be installing the secondary cat delete on the Vantage. As many of you know, or if you watch my other videos, it is the same engine as the AMGs from Mercedes. So this is a rather simple install. I'm gonna jack the car up. It's 3 bolts on each side. You remove the old ones. Well, technically, I guess it's 8 bolts total. 3 on the downpipe side, and then 2 clamps on the backhand side. But it's a relatively simple install. It takes about 30 minutes to do, maybe. So let me jack the car up, and then I'll show you what we're dealing with and what to do. So when was the last time you seen Aston Martin jacked up like this? Alright, let's get under there and see what's up. Alright, so we're under the Aston right now. Very simple. 1, 2, and 3. Same on the other side. And then clamp 1 and clamp 2. And they literally just come off. And you slide the new ones on, put the clamps on, and put the bolts on, and you are done. It is that simple. That freaking simple. Alright, so here is the new pipes. They're Red Star exhaust from Texas. So again, America. 3 bolts, and then they just slide in. So let's get to it. Got the OEM ones out. Here's the aftermarket ones. It's definitely doable. I do recommend you have a pry bar to get the OEM ones out. And it takes a bit of a finesse, but you can get them out without anything extra. So just gotta be patient and work it out. It is raining. I just got done putting them on. I am fucking wet. Wet is a bit of an understatement. So again, finesse gets it in, boys. They're looking beautiful. About to take a sound clip and then say goodbye to all of you. Very anticlimactic. The valves are still closed. Noticeable difference. Alright, here's a rev. Oh. That sounds disgusting. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video on how to install the secondary cat delete on the Aston Martin Vantage. Don't buy the set for the AMGs because they don't fit. You have to buy the Aston Martin one. Remember, they're the same engine, but different chassis. Once again, thank you for watching today's video, and see you guys in the next one.